Hello, in this video, we're focusing on the practical concepts that you can actually apply in the real business world. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Today, we're exploring how PepsiCo is using artificial intelligence to make its factories smarter and more efficient. By integrating AI technology, they can better monitor and control production processes, leading to improved quality, reduced downtime, and optimized resource use. This approach allows PepsiCo to respond faster to changes and maintain high standards across their diverse product lines, from snacks to beverages. You'll see how AI-driven automation and data analysis tools are transforming traditional manufacturing into a more agile, intelligent operation. Many factories still rely on old ways of working where problems are only addressed after they happen, and expanding production means costly physical upgrades. PepsiCo is changing this by using AI to create smarter, more responsive factories. Instead of investing heavily in new plants, they are turning their existing facilities into dynamic systems that learn and improve through simulation and prediction. By partnering with Siemens and NVIDIA, PepsiCo is leading the way with AI-powered digital twins, virtual models of factory operations that allow them to optimize processes and solve issues before making any physical changes. This approach is setting a new standard for manufacturing on a global scale. This isn't about using AI just because it's new or trendy. Instead, it's about embedding AI deeply throughout the entire farm-to-shelf process to make real improvements. For example, AI helps cut costs by optimizing resources, increases throughput by streamlining production, and reduces downtime by predicting and preventing issues before they happen. It also changes how decisions are made on the factory floor by providing timely, data-driven insights rather than relying on gut feelings or reactive problem solving. What PepsiCo has developed here is a practical, scalable approach that manufacturers around the world can look to as a clear example of how investing in AI can lead to measurable business results. Manufacturers today are dealing with several challenges all at once. Demand can change quickly and unpredictably, making it hard to plan production accurately. At the same time, there's increasing pressure to use energy more efficiently and meet sustainability goals. Many factories are older and not designed for easy upgrades, which complicates modernization efforts. Additionally, labor shortages make it difficult to maintain consistent operations, and expanding capacity through traditional physical builds requires significant investment and time. These factors combine to create a demanding environment where smarter, more adaptable factory solutions are essential to stay competitive and meet customer needs effectively. PepsiCo operates hundreds of manufacturing and warehousing sites in over 200 countries, which makes expanding capacity by building new factories a slow, risky, and costly process. Instead, the company focuses on unlocking hidden capacity within its existing facilities through AI and digital simulation. This shift from physical experimentation to virtual optimization allows PepsiCo to shorten planning cycles from months to just days or even hours, while also reducing the chance of expensive errors. By leveraging these technologies, they can respond more efficiently to changing demands and operational challenges, making their factories much smarter and more adaptable in today's complex business environment. At the heart of PepsiCo's smart factory approach are digital twins, which are virtual copies of their entire operations, from factories and warehouses to logistics routes. Using Siemens' digital twin composer on the NVIDIA Omniverse platform, they recreate every detail, like conveyor belts, machines, pallet paths, and even how operators move through the space. AI agents then run thousands of tests on these digital models before any real-world changes happen. This gives PepsiCo the ability to try out new factory layouts, test how well the system handles sudden spikes in demand, uncover hidden bottlenecks, and confirm that new designs will work with nearly perfect accuracy. This approach helps them optimize operations efficiently and with a high degree of confidence. PepsiCo uses AI technologies like computer vision and predictive maintenance to improve daily factory operations. Computer vision systems continuously watch production lines, spotting defects or misalignments that might be missed by the human eye. Meanwhile, machine learning models analyze equipment data to foresee potential failures before they happen. This approach helps minimize unexpected stops, cuts down maintenance costs, and extends the life of machinery, making the production process more reliable and efficient. Overall, PepsiCo's AI investments have produced real, measurable benefits across their operations. For example, at one Gatorade plant in the US, AI-driven simulations and layout optimization using digital twins led to a 20% increase in throughput within just 3 months, all without adding new equipment. This shows how virtual modeling can unlock significant efficiency gains. Additionally, by using these digital twins to validate factory and warehouse designs before building, PepsiCo has cut capital expenditures by 10 to 15%, avoiding costly and unnecessary construction and equipment purchases. Like the Casa Grande plant in Arizona, AI-powered automation and control systems have significantly reduced energy use and water consumption, helping PepsiCo move closer to its goal of near net zero manufacturing. These results highlight how AI is not just a concept for PepsiCo, but a powerful tool delivering tangible improvements across productivity, cost, and sustainability. PepsiCo's smarter factory strategy provides clear business value in several important ways. First, AI significantly speeds up decision-making by shortening planning cycles, which means the company can respond much more quickly to changes in the market. This agility is crucial in today's fast-moving environment. Second, optimization through AI reduces the need for costly physical trials or guesswork, directly cutting both capital expenses and operating costs. This dual impact on cost efficiency supports smarter use of resources while improving overall production effectiveness. Together, these benefits help PepsiCo maintain a competitive edge without the need to build expensive new factories, allowing for smarter growth within their existing infrastructure. Virtual testing helps identify up to 90% of potential operational issues before a new process is implemented, significantly reducing risks and avoiding costly disruptions. Once the digital twin framework is established, it can be scaled and replicated across multiple sites worldwide, making it easier to expand smarter factory capabilities consistently and efficiently. Additionally, these AI-enabled modern plants are highly attractive to digitally native engineers and operators, helping PepsiCo recruit and retain talent who are comfortable working with advanced technology and data-driven processes. This combination of risk reduction, scalability, and talent attraction creates strong practical business value that supports long-term growth and operational excellence. You don't need to have PepsiCo's size to follow their lead because the core idea is adaptable to other businesses. The first crucial step is to establish a strong data foundation, since AI depends on accurate, integrated data to be effective. This means investing in technologies like IoT sensors and equipment telemetry to collect real-time information, as well as unified data platforms to bring it all together. PepsiCo spent several years upgrading and modernizing its data infrastructure before expanding its AI capabilities widely. By focusing on reliable data collection and integration upfront, any company can build the groundwork necessary to implement AI solutions successfully and start realizing the benefits of smarter factories. Once you have a solid data foundation in place, the next step is to focus on specific, high-impact use cases that offer clear returns on investment. Target narrow problems where AI can really make a difference, like predictive maintenance, which helps anticipate equipment failures before they happen, or identifying bottlenecks that slow down production flows. Layout optimization is another practical use, improving how factory space and workflows are arranged to boost efficiency. It's important to avoid starting with broad or unfocused AI pilots that often fail to scale or deliver meaningful results. By concentrating on these targeted areas, businesses can build momentum and demonstrate real value, making it easier to expand AI applications over time. Before automating any processes, it's important to create a digital twin, a virtual model of the system. This lets you simulate and test changes without disrupting actual operations. Once the simulation is validated, you can confidently deploy automation in the physical environment with minimal risk. Then it's crucial to integrate AI as a tool that supports employees in their daily work, not as a replacement. Refers to AI as a decision co-pilot, helping frontline workers make better choices rather than acting autonomously. This approach ensures technology enhances human expertise while maintaining smooth operations. PepsiCo's AI-driven factory model delivers several key advantages that make the entire operation more efficient and sustainable. By leveraging AI, the factories achieve higher throughput without the need for expanding physical space or building new facilities, which keeps capital investment and operating costs low. This model also reduces downtime and waste, meaning the production process is more reliable and environmentally friendly. These improvements together contribute to better sustainability outcomes, aligning with broader corporate responsibility goals. Additionally, the use of AI accelerates innovation cycles, allowing PepsiCo to continuously improve and adapt faster than traditional factory models. This combination of benefits shows how smart technology can create a more cost-effective, efficient, and sustainable manufacturing process. Implementing this AI-driven factory model comes with some significant challenges. It requires a large initial investment in data collection, sensors, and the computing infrastructure needed to run everything. Meeting new technologies with existing legacy systems can be complex and time-consuming. There's also resistance to change from staff, which is common when new processes disrupt familiar workflows. As factories become more connected, cybersecurity risks increase and must be carefully managed. Additionally, there is a skills gap that necessitates retraining current employees and bringing in new talent. PepsiCo addresses these risks by working closely with established partners like Siemens, NVIDIA, AWS, and Google Cloud, instead of trying to build all solutions in-house. This collaborative approach helps them leverage expertise and share responsibility, making the transition smoother and more secure. PepsiCo's approach to AI-powered factories goes beyond simply making small improvements. It represents a fundamental change in how factories operate. Instead of thinking of factories as fixed, unchanging assets, they now function as dynamic systems that can learn, run simulations, and optimize themselves continuously. By integrating AI into the core of physical operations with tools like digital twins, predictive maintenance, and real-time analytics, PepsiCo has shown that factories can become faster, more resilient, and more profitable, even at a global scale. This is especially important for manufacturers who face ongoing challenges like market volatility, sustainability demands, and tighter profit margins. The key takeaway is that the future of manufacturing lies not in building more facilities, but in making existing and new factories smarter. If you found this video useful, there's plenty of more business and finance videos on the channel that you'll enjoy watching and get great practical value from. In the meantime, thanks for watching.